Today we're taking a closer look at a product that combines both style and function for your outdoor space. This is the KagoLing Solar Outdoor Lantern, designed to bring warm, natural glow to your garden, patio, or deck. We got a 2-pack, so you get everything out of the box to get this going for the pair. What I love right off the bat is the design. The lantern has a unique round rattan look that blends modern and classic styles. When it lights up at night, it mimics candlelight, giving off that cozy forest-like vibe. With upgraded 2700 Kelvin LED beads, you get soft, warm yellow-white glow that instantly creates an inviting atmosphere. Whether you're hosting guests outside or just relaxing after a long day, these lights really set the mood. Each lantern is built with an upgraded solar panel and a 1000 milliamp battery. That means it absorbs sunlight more efficiently during the day and gives you up to 10 hours of illumination after just 6 to 8 hours of charging in the sun. Even during cloudy and rainy times, it still provides reliable lighting at night, which is a big plus for year-round use. These lanterns are not just built about looks. They're built tough, made with high-strength ABS material and rated IP65 waterproof. They can handle rainstorms, snow, heat, and cold without fading or breaking down. So whether it's a summer barbecue season or the middle of winter, you can count on these to keep shining. The KagoLing lanterns are also super easy to use. With just one button, you activate smart mode. From there, the lights automatically turn on at dusk and shut off at dawn. Installation is flexible too. You can hang these on trees, fences, or walls, place them directly on the table or ground, or even carry them like a portable lamp for nighttime walks. Its versatile lighting adapts to whatever you need. These solar lanterns are perfect for anyone who loves decorating their outdoor space. They add an elegant, natural touch to balconies, patios, pathways, or even dining setups outside. And because of their stylish design, they also make for a thoughtful gift for a family or friend, something that is both functional and beautiful. The KagoLing Solar Outdoor Lanterns combines cozy aesthetics, reliable solar power, durable weatherproofing, and smart automatic lighting in one package. If you're looking to upgrade your outdoor ambience, these lanterns are definitely worth checking out. We'll have all of our links located in the description. That is going to wrap it up for this one. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.